Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Topsy. If this is the first time you've seen this face, hello. Hope you guys are well. So finally I got my hands on this makeup Shayla X Colourpop collection. You guys know the struggle that I went through to get this finally delivered to me. I do live in the UK, so anyway, let's just say that the struggle was real. But finally, I do have my hands in the collections. So I will be doing a review for you guys today. So Shayla teamed up with Colourpop. From what I know, this is her first collaboration with them. And she brought out a palette that looks like that. So pretty. I love the packaging. And there are 16 colors in the palette. There are 4 mattes. Yeah, 4 mattes and 12 sort of shimmery colors. And the palette feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel flimsy or light or cheap. It actually feels very solid. So I like that about it. It also has a mirror. I don't want to blind you guys, but as you can see, it has a big mirror that pretty much takes up this top section right there. So that is very good. It's good to be able to do your makeup and also, you know, look in the mirror using the same palette. So that was quite good. So I love the names of the shadows. She obviously chose names that are sort of personal to her and means something to her. She also came out with 2 highlighters. One is called Pose, and this is more of like a darker, deeper rose goldy coppery gold, and Boomin is more of a yellowish lighter gold. And then she had 3 Luxe lipsticks. I've never actually tried any Luxe lipsticks before. Having said that, I've never tried any Colourpop shadows. The only one that I've tried are their Super Shock shadows. I've never tried their pressed shadows, so I'm excited about that. The 3 lipsticks are Common Sis, which is like a mauvey pink, which looks like that. And then we have Quickie, which looks like that. And then we have Oouuuu, which looks like that. I will be doing swatches for you later in the video, so don't worry about that. And finally, she came out with a lip gloss, which looks like that. So the lip gloss looks like it's called Neat Freak. It looks like it has like specks of glitter in it, I'd say. So that looks like that. So yeah, I created this look using this eyeshadow palette. And if you would like to see how I did that, then stay tuned. So the first color I'm going to go for is called Culture. And this is more like a skin tone color right there. So I'm going to put that as a transition color. I did my face first, although I don't normally do my face first, but I didn't want this video to be too long, so I did my face first. For my skin tone, this color is more of like it's almost like a flesh tone color, I'll be honest. It just works as like a really good transition colors for other colors to blend into. And I did prime my eyes off camera with my P. Louise base. That's what I use to prime my eyes. So I'm going to go in with my crease color, and the color that I'll be using is the color called Revenge, which is that one right there. And the colors are very, well, I have used this palette once just to test it out. And the colors are very pigmented. I'm not going to take the color Played Out, which is that one. It's like a dark brown. And I'm going to focus that on the outer V, the corners of the eye, really. Blend out the edges. There's actually no fallout with this palette, which is something I was worried about when I did my face first. So I'm going to go in to cut the crease. I'm going to go for, I didn't know what color to go for, to be honest. Strut and Slay just keeps calling my name, so I think I'm going to go for Strut and Slay. Now we're going to go in and blend the outer color out, so it just blends into the shimmer color. Get rid of the harsh lines. I'm going to do my lashes and liner off camera, and I'll be right back. Lashes, liners on. So now I'm going to line my bottom lash line using pretty much the colors that I used for my crease, which is the Revenge and the Played. I'm going to do a mix of those for my bottom lash line. I'm going to line my waterline with a MAC eyeliner, V-line. I'm going to set that eyeliner in place with a little bit of the Stallion color right there. It's like a really dark blue color. It does have a little bit of glitter in it, but doesn't show up too much. I'm going to apply some mascara using the Colossal Big Shot mascara. So I'm going to move on to the face. I already sort of cream contoured my cheeks, but I'm going to set that with the powder. Today's Shayla Day, so I am going in with my Tarteist contour palette. This was one Shayla did with Tarte. The contour palette she came out with, I believe it's probably about 2 years ago now. And I'm gonna use a mixture of those two browns. I feel like my eyes is missing something, and that's my inner tear duct color. So I'm going to use the Perception palette, the color Unbothered. Yeah, let's go for that one. So that's that one over there. Now we're gonna move on to highlighter. The color I'm gonna put on first is Pose, which is more of the darker of the two highlighters. It's super pretty. And on top of that, I'm gonna put the Boomin one, which is more of like the yellowish gold one. Gonna apply some blush. We're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Berry Adorn. So it's about to be a lip swatch situation here. So I'm gonna put my hair on and then I'll be right back. And then I would swatch all 3 lipsticks for you guys. Yeah. So we've got 3 Luxe lipsticks. Like I said, I've never used any of Colourpop's Luxe lipsticks before. I've only used their normal like liquid lipsticks. So this will be a first for me. The colors are quite light. I'm gonna line my lips with the MAC Prolongwear Lip Pencil in Bittersweet. So the first color I'm gonna go for, it's Quickie. So that is Quickie lipstick. So the next one will be Come On Sis. So that's Come On Sis. So the last and definitely on the list is Oouuuu. So that's Oouuuu on its own. I put the Knit Freak lip gloss. I can't talk. I put the Knit Freak lip gloss on top of it. And that's the Oouuuu paired with the Knit Freak lip gloss. That's how that looks like. So yes, those are all the products in the collection. Makeup Shayla X Colourpop. It was worth the wait. Waiting for the collection was definitely worth the wait. I'm so happy that I picked it up. I mean, let's talk about the palette to start with. Are these new colors that I haven't seen before? No. I probably have all of these colors in my collection somewhere. However, it's very affordable. I was sporting my girl Shayla. You get in 16 shadows, absolutely pigmented. There was no fallout. I was actually worried that, you know, me doing my foundation first would have fallout from the eyeshadows, but there wasn't any. And the colors showed up. You know, I like the fact that on the left, she has sort of more neutral colors. And then on the right hand side, you have the more colorful eyeshadows. So you pretty much have everything you would need, you know, if you're trying to go neutral, if you're trying to be more daring and go with colors, if you're trying to, you know, switch from daytime to nighttime, smoky, you've got pretty much all the colors that you could want in this palette, and it's very affordable as well. $23, I believe, if you just want to pick up just the eyeshadow on its own, which I believe is a steal. And on top of that, it has a huge mirror, which is a definite Topsy approved. The highlighters, they look good. I like them. I think each they only cost $7, so definitely a steal. You know, I mean, look at that glow for $7. Why not? You know, so I'm definitely happy that I picked that up because it's a loose highlighter. I can put it on my collarbone, on my chest. So yes, 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 yes to the highlighters. So moving on to the lipsticks. I would say that my favorite out of all of them was Come On Sis, was probably my favorite, I would say. After that, I would say it was Oouuuu. And then the third would be Quickie. Just because that's a bit quite light. And I don't tend to go for nudes that are that light. And I tend to go for the pinkish, peachy nudes. That's the only reason why that wasn't my top pick. But apart from that, yeah, I love the collection. Definitely Topsy approved. The whole bundle, like I said, cost me $59, so you can't go wrong with that. Very affordable. Eyeshadows are popping. Highlighter is popping. lipstick on fleek. So I definitely say yes, and congratulations, Shayla. I'm so proud of you. You're like my friend in my head. You probably would never watch this video, but you know, I adore that girl. I think she's absolutely fabulous. Let me know your thoughts about this collection in the comment section. Have you picked it up? Are you thinking of picking it up? Are you still not sure yet if you should pick it up? Let's sound off in the comments. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you hit the notification bell as well, where you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thanks for taking the time out to watch this video. I will catch you guys on another video very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.
What you do to me, I can't